Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney. This is the Courtney Club. Today is a special day. I'm getting ready to head to Japan. I have been up all night trying to finish packing. So my plan this year did not work of me trying to quickly pack earlier so that on the back end I could chill. Yeah, no, didn't work. I was still up into the wee hours of the morning trying to finish packing and cleaning up the house. So the problem was, I don't know, I just underestimate how much stuff I'm gonna pack each time. I just don't know what to do at this point. So it is what it is. So let's go to the airport. Obviously, I'm at the airport. My flight should be leaving in the next 8 minutes or so. These people at the coffee place had made me mad because I was getting coffee and the man was trying to have short conversation. That's cool. But you can't have short conversation and mess up my order. Anytime I get coffee, it's either an iced coffee with oat milk or almond milk. I don't do hot coffee. And I sure don't do whole milk. And the man messed up my order. He was trying to tell me I didn't tell him, and I'm like, yes, I did. And he was like, okay, well, my bad. So you might have to pay for the oat milk. What? And so then that's when the other man was like, no, don't worry about it. You good. Because I'm so confused. I pulled my card out. I'm like, all right, whatever. Okay, pay for the coffee. It's not a big deal. Pay for the oat milk. It's not a big deal, but y'all are wrong. I know what I said. But anyways, I was off to a rough start, but I wasn't going to allow that to mess up my trip. I don't like the exit row seats. They're not for me because you can't put your bag underneath an area because there's no seat in front of you. I just finished my meal. So I ate all of the beef hamburger steak and the potatoes. I didn't eat any of the sides. Y'all already knew I wasn't going to eat them. And I ate the roll, or I ate half of the roll. On Netflix, I downloaded the Comeback 2004 Boston Red Sox documentary, I guess it is. But I realized I only downloaded part 1. So it's an hour and 7 minutes. So hopefully it's good because I'm starting to get sleepy. So that's a plus side. And get me a little bit of rest because I am tired. I was up until 4 a.m. this morning trying to, make sure everything was straight at the home and packing. I need to catch up on some sleep. So I'm just going to chill, watch this. I found a plus side to the emergency exit row is I can just get up freely, even though I'm on the window seat. I can get up freely whenever I want to go to the restroom. That's why I wanted an aisle seat because your girl be having to go to the restroom. I hate having to sit in a row and I have to bother somebody, wake them up or stare them down, please wake up, I need to use the restroom, or climb over people that I don't know. They just turned the lights on. They're getting ready to serve us our last meal. I'm ready to get off the plane. I think we have 3 hours left. I'm tired of sitting. I'm well rested. I took plenty of naps. I got to the point where I couldn't even take a nap anymore. They definitely served better meals before. All I really ate was the noodles, and I really just ate around that, and that cranberry muffin. We have made it to Tokyo. We made it in the airport. I got my bags checked. Now I am stopping at a vending machine before I go to the shuttle. I need another shuttle. I gotta tell y'all what happened earlier, but go to the shuttle to get to the next gate so then I can get on my flight to Kagoshima. They don't really have the drinks I really love. It's a peach drink I'm obsessed with, but they don't have any here, so we're just gonna get this cherry one. I just need something sweet. I am trying to find this shuttle. Oh, here we go, here we go. 47. Please board the bus. I don't know where I'm. Oh, 47, 48. Okay. I need to go around. Oh my gosh, I'm so confused. Because this is not how it was the previous times. So I'm a bit unfamiliar with what's going on. Okay, here we go. Konbanwa. Konbanwa.
47、鹿児島。
はい。
はい。バスにお乗りください。
ありがとうございます。I know y'all heard that. I know y'all heard my little Japanese. I know a little 1-2. Okay, so now I'm getting ready to get on this bus. I don't see no bus driver. And I look like I'm the only one on the bus. Oh, yes. Okay. Oh, shoot. I'm supposed to get on this bus? Okay. So, I'm on the bus. I'm now at the correct terminal, 47, and my flight doesn't leave until like 6:30. I mean, it's 5:26. So maybe, you know, they're out doing other work and I'm just here early, which I am, but nobody's here. But it's okay though, somebody will show up because the lady let me in. It's some other people in here now, so we gotta get back personal. I forgot to tell y'all, I thought my bag was lost. So one of the 2 check bags was not out with like all the other bags. So I waited, and the baggage carousel stopped. And I was like, just looking, and I went up to a man and he was like, go talk to the lady over there. I went to talk to her, I was like, ma'am, I have one of my bags, but I don't have the other bag. And she spoke a little bit of English, but it was more Japanese. So we had to work together to get the goal. And so she finally fully understood what I was saying, like, I'm missing a bag. And so she got on her radio talking to people, and then somebody else came up and they talking, and I'm like, they getting on it. Last year, somebody told Asia and I, like, at Japan airports, like, losing bags is not heard of. But in, like, the U.S., I mean, it's a 50-50 chance your bag might get lost, or you're just gonna get it late. So she walks off, and then she come back, and she was like, we found. And I was like, oh my God, thank you. Because my heart was like racing. I was texting AJ, and I was just like, oh my gosh. And it was funny because we both had the same thought. Losing bags is unheard of. And I was about to say, wow. And then there's me. It's heard of for me. But they found it. And then the man and the lady had came up to me with my bag, and they were like, you're back. And I was like, hi. I was so happy. Morning, y'all. Welcome to the next day. So right now it's 10:47. Last night after I ate pizza, I was up for a little bit trying to just like look through all my stuff that I packed, and then I was like, okay, I am tired. Like, I felt like this rush of tiredness, so I took a shower. I was dang near falling asleep in the shower, y'all. Like, I'm showering, and like every time I like slowly close my eyes, I can feel my body do this. And so I woke up this morning, talked to my grandparents for a little bit, and so now we're getting ready to go get us something to eat. So we're gonna go to Eggs and Things. I've showed y'all that in previous vlogs, but you know, I'll show y'all again. Right now we're at Don Quixote because I need to get some shampoo and conditioner, and they have just about anything and everything you're looking for, and I want Pantene. Got it! Huh? We'll have to come back on another day and I can like really show y'all why I really like this store a whole lot. But today is not that day. Right now we are at Big Ben, and this is where we're gonna eat dinner. We just finished dinner. Now we're about to go back to the apartments.